se prangke akote atuma phan chorolo nilitum nanga chofa teng pen ke bang pot bini nilitum kalbuchari asong longkamaji arohin pen enangke amai ke thapona alam theke lapu henlo kidam tang lang pen kangfer along BJP atum vote kerek amai along inut no thambang Mr. Ajnul Haque Assistant Professor of Education College Longkamaji along the openly pen rapchari along plam along kidun ke chokche posin itu along the fan pin rem lo ate along lagi nut goreng klembom la pen inut thanbang asai si klembom jongsi along the rapchari asai long klemdun pulote along the aprangsi along the arpu chonangji lasi nilitum KSA Longkamaji head branch ahin pen along the fan pin rem lo lasi nilitum KSA Longkamaji aji arohin pen ke chuning rilo man ke to Deputy Commissioner of Karbiang Long along liphan arona teng pen ing sai vek ko sining thelo jongsi along liphan ing sai pon thek thek protein nilitum karbuchar asong lahin pen ing tangrak pen kajisong dengpon ang kokpo kaldom.
First of all, I would like to thank all the media brothers for coming here at our request. Today, we, the Karbi Students Association, Longkamaji Head Branch, held a press conference at our own office regarding the violation of Rule 5, Sub 1 by Mr. Ajnul Haque, the Assistant Professor of Education College. He was openly participate in politics during the BJP vote campaign rally at Langfer constituency. It is not the duty, being the government employee or being assistant professor of Education College, if he is interested, then first of all, he should resign from his post. In this regard, we, the Karbi Student Association, Longkamaji Head Branch, would like to appeal the higher authority to look into this matter and to take strict action. If the higher authority did not take any strict action, then we, the Karbi Student Association, Longkamaji Head Branch, will go to another step. Thank you.
Action upor labang so
Bang so pathak lote arona teng pen lake isi rat charia long ke claim dunji pelotang te boreng awar sai pen aphangsi chi onangji la pen arona teng pelotang te alang le boreng claim bom ahut pelotang te la puson rat charia along klam along ke dodun chokche pusi nilitum jong ponlo la pen alang liphan ason son jongsi non nilitum jong dunde pudunde pelote kewang jilang porahut anut kaplek aphan nilitum ki pudunji aja kong ta awidet po lasi alang liphan lapuson alang le inut assistant professor hala bang soar ni ala so mailong sitame ilutum kaching hon education em sir Richard tok bisitame alang le sitame dolo ase alang li kopia posi hala dak lang dunde det ma mate alang li tong ke phalo ma laben alang li sitame arlo pen politics along tirap dun doloma po alang li Mr. Ajnul Haque Assistant Professor alang li phanstame arjupon nang kokpo laben laso puthak nilitum DC office long stame complaint ipon vek po laben jong nilitum complaint ki pia teng pen thang state ta deng pon pe pulotang te kiwang zilang ar ni nilitum adak KSA Longkamaji Head Branch ahin pen akang tuyang deng ka song pon stame je song pon nang kokpo Education College bokolia alang le halabang so are lialong inut boreng claim bom aporahut halabang so BJP campaign vote campaign amayalong alang le sitame isi BJP zindabad labuson ke hang taramdun lake isi chokchipik asailo puse niltum jongdun lo lakan alang li phan sitame immediately suspension direct nahi puse niltum hen pan chuning ridun lo halabang soar ni ala so mailong sitame inutum kaching hon education em Sir Richard tok bisitame alang listame dolo ase alang li kopia posi haladak langdun dedet ma mate alang li tong ke phaloma lapen alang listame arlo pen politics along chirap dun doloma po alang li Mr. Ajnul Haque Assistant Professor alang li hanstame arjupon nang kokko lapen lasso puthak niletum DC office law tame complaint tipon back po lapen jong niletum complaint ki pia teng pen thang estate ta deng pon pe pulo tangte kirang jilang ar ni niletum adak KSA bolong ko maji head branch ahin pen akang tuyang deng ka je song pon tame je song pon nang kokko